Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to go live on Twitch, right? How you can go live here, it's really easy. On the top right side corner, just go and click on your profile icon. Then here you have to go and click on settings. Now you have to go to the channel and videos. Now here you have to click on streams. Now this is a primary stream key. Now you have to copy this code here, whichever streaming platform you're using. For example, this is OBS. So I will just go to the file here and then I will go to the settings, for example, and here you will get this option of stream, right? So this is option of stream, and here you have to select Twitch. Then here they will ask your use stream key. Now here you have to paste this code, right, which you have copied it from here. Then you can just start your streaming and automatically it will show up in your stream, right? This is how you can do it. By the way, you can always change the bitrate and everything for the quality purposes, as well the server and everything. And once everything you are done, you will able to start it, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.